British multi-role combat aircraft that served during World War II and the post-war era. One of the few operational aircraft to be constructed almost entirely of wood and subsequently nicknamed the Wooden Wonder. The Mynarski Memorial, Lancaster of the Canadian Warplane Heritage. You're going to need more than bug spray to deal with that mosquito. That is an awesome flying machine. Spinning and stuck, just take it easy and you'll be fine. And remember, there are marshals and our volunteers. Do know the quickest way out. Follow their instructions. Your cooperation, your patience will be appreciated. The buses are ready. They have them all timed so that if the last bus leaves, the one that began the process of getting you home is already rounding the corner. Here's the Mosquito and the Lancaster.
Do something to be one of those people on there on that thing looking over there seeing that.
Support and thank them so much for sharing their Mosquito with us this weekend. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, give them a big wave as they're about to head on home. The Mosquito, Mike Spaulding. Look at that shine and sparkle as it heads up into the clouds. Wow. Your last fast pass today, ladies and gentlemen, in the Mosquito. Mike Spaulding, and getting ready to break for landing. So here once again, the Mosquito. set up to land as we recover the Mosquito. That's a lot of horsepower, 1,280 horsepower. The Packard Merlin 29s, slowing it down. About 6,000 pounds of airplane, mostly made of wood. Burning fuel at 60 gallons an hour. Those big props, look at that. Give him a huge wave, ladies and gentlemen. Mike Spaulding, the de Havilland Mosquito. And for all his friends here from the Military Aviation Museum, let's have a round of applause so that his ground crew and everybody here with them can hear how much we appreciate this special visit this weekend. By the way, if you've lost anything or anyone, the lost and found, the police set up is where to go. We already have we have 2 sets of keys, we have a wallet, we have a lot of things. The Mosquito taxiing in, and I'll tell you more about rendezvous points and all that, but there's, as I said off the top, the show ain't over until